Hi guys, Daniel here and welcome back to another one of my EPSON how-to videos, and today we're working on an EPSON WorkForce. The particular model that I've got is the 7830. It's the big one with the two trays, but this will apply to other models in the WorkForce range, and it even applied to the EPSON ecotank printers. Problem I've been having is paper feeding and jamming, so I'm just using A4 plain paper. It's going in, it's jamming, so I'm going to show you how you can fix it. So the first thing we need to do is to remove the trays, whichever ones you're using. I use the top one. I'm just using A4 plain paper, but this will apply to other paper types. So I'll remove that, put that on the floor, and also remove this one. Obviously make sure you're using clean paper and keep these trays really clean. You can even shake the paper as well to get rid of the dust. So the first rollers that you'll be interested in are those at the back. See that one right at the back there, the two black spots? There's also one underneath as well. When it comes to cleaning these, you need to be really careful. Use a microfiber cloth and a proper solution. You can use a damp cloth, whatever you've got, but I use something else, and I'll show you what that is in a minute. I would clean them upside down with the palm of your hand. Obviously be really careful. I've had lots of printer problems in the past, so I'm used to dealing with this kind of thing. The roller at the back is normally the one that causes the issue because it handles the most paper and the dust and things. It normally gets most dusty. Basically you pinch your fingers together like this, pull back, and that's the roller there. It's textured, so you don't want to damage the texture. That's the roller there, the tray one. There's one underneath, and now you can see why I said that you're better off using a cloth with something underneath and cleaning like that, because you can get to this one but you can't really get to that one. That's why I mentioned that. So I'm going to use a microfiber cloth. You want a lint-free cloth. I always use microfiber. And the solution I'm going to use, and it's tried and tested this, I use it on laser printer rollers as well, is a product called AF Platen Clean Print Roller Clean and Restorer. It's not cheap stuff, but it works. It's got a bit of isopropyl alcohol in it to clean any grease and bits off, and it also nourishes the roller. So it's really simple. I'm filming this with one hand, so bear with me. You don't need a lot of this stuff. Just need a little bit of it on that, and literally just wipe the roller, wipe and spin. Try not to get your fingers on it, just use the cloth to do it. So wipe, cross and spin like this. Once you've done that, you can do it with a damp cloth as well. You don't need to use that stuff, but it's nice to have it. Put that back in. And that does go in a certain way, and you'll know when you've got it in. Put the lid back on this. And hopefully this video is helpful if you're having frustrating printer problems, because they can be frustrating. I know that more than anyone, because I've got a few. So we'll just go back in here. So, and then we've got our cloth. So the way I recommend to clean this is just to put your palm in. You'll be very careful, as you can see, and just gently wipe it left and right. And then turn them as well. You basically go that direction towards the back of the printer and turn them. Just be really careful. You can also use a brush for this as well, with this solution on, and hopefully that fixes your problem. So if it has fixed your problem, feel free to like the video, and thanks for watching. If you've got any comments, please leave them below.